India 272 platform, I would call it a factory of ideas. It's where like-minded youngsters like me can meet up on the net and discuss our ideas. What makes the concept interesting for me is that not only can I voice my opinion on various aspects, but there are groups and tasks. So everyone can contribute depending on their strengths and weaknesses. I have contributed in two groups immensely, which is giving quotes and giving inspirational messages. And there was one more group which said that I should speak about governance, and I've contributed a lot in that group as well. So what gives me inspiration to be a part of this volunteer platform is the ideas that I give are going to be used effectively.
The open forum section is a section where there are a host of topics over there on which they can share their opinions. They can also give ideas. To give you an example, there is currently a slew of rallies that you see happening pan-India. If you belong to a state or a city where a rally is going to happen, and if you think that there are some points that you want to share about that city, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. In today's time, considering the political environment, using Media Watch, if you as an individual think that there is any news about Bharatiya Janata Party, about Mr. Narendra Modi or any senior leader, do bring it to our notice, whether it is positive or negative.
Our mission of helping the BJP achieving the target of 272 seats will and can be done through India 272, which is a perfect platform for volunteers who want to do something. There are some people who are good writers, some people who are good designers, some people who are very good at making presentations. Say I'm good at the ground level work. I can opt and voluntarily approach India 272 and tell them that I'm good at this particular field, and I will be allotted that particular task.
Whenever anyone wants to join a political party, they don't know the way. Well, I know it, it's Mission 272, that's the way forward.
I as an individual, as a resident of India who is keen to make a difference, keen to make a positive difference, I have signed up as a volunteer for India 272. Have you?